is always of interest to me, really at any event, is the opportunity to learn something. You're probably saying, well, duh. But the ASQ Measurement Quality Division event that earlier this fall is a great example of that. There were a bevy of great presentations and a really what I'd call an intimate atmosphere, which was quite conducive to really learning and sharing. That's not to say that there weren't the same opportunities at a massive show like IMTS 2024. But I also believe, as was evident at both of the shows that I just mentioned, that any event moving forward should continue to discuss and address the skilled labor gap, particularly by appealing to the next generation, to women, to anyone really, who feels like they have a knack for or enjoy problem solving, etc. And really kind of dispel the perception that manufacturing wouldn't be a fit for them for whatever reason, and really let them know that there are opportunities for a great and exciting career in manufacturing, particularly in the quality industry.
Yeah, definitely makes sense. So yeah, coming up, I'm looking forward to more in-person meetings for 2025, starting with the quality show back in Nashville. And we'd love to hear from you on what events you plan to attend next year. So you can let us know, find us on LinkedIn, Facebook, or X, or just send us an email.